Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. So you guys know that I absolutely love these home decor design duel videos, and I thought why not do two that we've never put up against each other, Rustic and Scandi. If you're a fan of cozy vibes, natural elements, and spaces that really just feel like a warm hug, today's video is for you. We're diving into two incredibly popular decor styles, Rustic and Scandi. Now these styles both embrace comfort and simplicity, but they do it in very different ways. In this video, we're going to explore what makes each style unique, their popularity, their practicality, and how to recreate them in your own home. Plus, I'm going to share some color palettes, furniture ideas, and even a few famous places that really showcase these styles. So let's get started. Question number one, what is rustic home decor? So let's kick it off with Rustic. It's all about embracing nature and celebrating the beauty of raw, imperfect materials. Think of it as a style that brings the outdoors in while still creating a warm and inviting space. So some of the key elements of rustic decor are natural materials like wood, stone, leather, and metal. That's going to take the center stage here. Also, reclaimed or distressed wood is a staple. Now, a lot of people like decorating with this style because it can be somewhat cost effective because a lot of the materials and items that you need to really create this style, you can find secondhand or just find outside somewhere. Makes it very cheap. Another key element of rustic decor are warm and earthy tones. Rustic spaces often feature shades like warm brown, beige, and soft greens, and of course deep oranges, which I love in a rustic space. You're also going to see a lot of cozy textures, so chunky knit throws, faux fur rugs, and burlap accents to really add to the cozy factor here. Of course, you may even see some vintage or handmade pieces. Rustic decor loves items that feel personal, like antique furniture or handmade ceramics. You can even go to a shop that really specializes in ceramics to go make your own pottery. No guarantees how they turn out, but you can do that. Now, the color palette for rustic is really thrives on earthy tones. So think soft browns, beiges, creamy whites, muted greens, and rusty reds. You can also add a pop of navy blue or mustard yellow for some contrast and a little bit of an accent. Also, that way your room won't look so cookie cutter as every other rustic room that you've seen. Here's some furniture ideas for you. A reclaimed wooden table, a dining room table paired with mismatched chairs. I don't know if you all love that look. Honestly, I don't. Something about it bothers me, but a lot of people love it, especially when it comes down to rustic decor. If you have a leather armchair, just throw a faux fur throw on top of it and it will really give you that rustic vibe, really nice and comfy. If you don't have faux fur, just any type of throw will do. Now, if you are one of those lucky people that get to design your home, or if you just plan on doing some heavy renovating, definitely opt for a stone fireplace. It'll really become the focal of your living room. Now, rustic decor absolutely shines in mountain lodges, country homes, and cozy Airbnbs. But one of the best examples that I've seen is at the ranch at Rock Creek, which is in Montana. It's a luxury resort that perfectly captures that rustic elegance. So now let's talk about Scandi home decor, short for Scandinavian. Originating from countries like Sweden, Denmark, and Norway, this style focuses on minimalism, functionality, and a sense of calm. Now, some of the key elements of Scandi decor, or like I just mentioned, minimalism. That's probably one of the most prominent elements. Less is definitely more. Clutter is out and clean lines are in. Also, light and bright is the vibe that we're going for. Scandi spaces embrace natural light with white walls and light colored furniture. We're also going to go for a lot of the functional designs. Furniture isn't just beautiful, it's very practical as well. Multi-purpose pieces are common. I always think of stores like IKEA, which I believe was started in Sweden, so it definitely has the Scandi vibes running through it. And if you look at a lot of the pieces and furniture that they have, they're all multi-purpose. They're very practical, but everything serves a purpose, and in some cases it's more than one purpose. And then you're going to see a lot of hygge, right? So you see this word, no one knows how to pronounce it. It's actually pronounced hygge, and it's all about coziness. Like, you know that feeling coming home from work in the evening and you light some candles and you have a blanket on the sofa, and that sense of coziness that runs into you, that's actually called hygge. Soft blankets, candles, warm lighting, it creates this really inviting atmosphere. Now, the Scandi color palette revolves around neutrals like white, cream, light gray, and soft beige. You'll often see accents in muted pastels or natural greens. Here are some furniture ideas for you to really give that Scandi look and feel in your home. Maybe a sleek white dining table with wooden legs. A neutral toned sofa paired with a geometric wool rug or Scandinavian pendant lights in matte finishes. All of those are really popular. Now, you're going to see Scandi home decor really everywhere. However, you're definitely going to see it in the IKEA showrooms, and like I said, if you're looking for one of those stores, just Google it. There's bound to be one near you, even though my nearest one is in a different state, or some of the various boutique hotels. Now, if you've ever been in Copenhagen, check out Hotel SP34. It's a minimalist dream that really oozes Scandinavian charm. So let's talk how to recreate these styles. Here's how you can bring rustic and Scandi vibes into your home. So for recreating rustic, start with natural materials. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table or stone planters. Also, layer your textures. Combine a chunky knit throw with a burlap pillow and a faux fur rug. And also, don't be scared to go vintage. Head up thrift stores for antique furniture or decor design ideas. Now, for recreating Scandi, number 1, stick to a very neutral base. Paint your walls white or light gray for a bright and airy look. Also add functional furniture. Invest in multi-purpose pieces like a sofa bed or a storage ottoman. And lastly, incorporate hygge elements. Add candles, a soft wool blanket, and warm lighting to really make your space cozy and inviting. And there you have it, rustic and Scandi home decor. 2 styles that bring warmth and beauty into any space. So whether you're drawn to the raw charm of rustic or the minimalist elegance of Scandi, there's definitely something for everyone. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Decor 101. Let me know in the comments which style that you prefer, or if you're thinking about blending the two. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!